Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Makita battery is not charging and the charger does not seem to respond the way it should, it can quickly interrupt your work and become frustrating. You may place the battery on the charger expecting it to start charging, but instead you see no progress, unusual lights, or no response at all. This problem can happen for several reasons, including dirty battery contacts, temperature issues, charger connection problems, or a battery that has gone into protection mode. Since Makita batteries are designed with built-in safety features, sometimes charging stops to protect the battery from damage. The good part is that many charging issues can be fixed with a few simple checks before thinking about replacing the battery. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Makita battery that is not charging. Try this. Step 1. Connect the Makita charger properly and make sure the Makita charger is receiving stable power. Step 2. Remove the Makita battery from the Makita charger and reinsert the Makita battery carefully. Step 3. Clean the metal contact points on the Makita battery and the Makita charger to improve connection. Step 4. Allow the Makita battery to cool down or warm up if the Makita battery feels too hot or too cold. Step 5. Check the indicator lights on the Makita charger to understand the Makita battery charging status. Step 6. Place the Makita battery back on the Makita charger and confirm the Makita battery starts charging normally.